Well, up first on headlines tonight, India has progressed leaps and bounds and is now being billed as the next economic powerhouse of the world. But there are still some places in this country where archaic and demeaning rituals are practiced in the name of tradition. Today we take you to Chittorgarh town in Rajasthan. Here an ancient but inhuman practice flourishes. Newlywed brides are put to the chastity test on their wedding night, and if they fail, another regressive practice is unleashed. Headlines today's Devankur Vadhavan travelled to Chittorgarh to file this report. Welcome to Chittorgarh district of Rajasthan. The occasion is the wedding of Pappu and Vasanti. This may seem to you as an ordinary Indian wedding. The bride, the groom, the relatives, and a noisy band in the background. But beneath it lies a practice that makes our heads hang in shame. The medieval ritual of testing the bride's virginity. An outrageous custom responsible for making any woman's life a living nightmare. This shameful tradition is called kukri in this part of the woods. A bride's honor is put at stake, and what follows is utterly disgusting. To prove that she's a virgin, the bride is forced to undergo a test on her wedding night, and she is expected to come out unblemished.
शादी होने के बाद में लड़के को और लड़की को दोनों को सेक्स के लिए वहाँ पे एक जगह सुलाया जाता है, और सुलाने के बाद में जब कुछ लड़कियां जो दूल्हे की सालियां हैं वो बाहर बैठती हैं और लड़के को सेक्स के लिए अंदर रूम में सुलाया जाता है। सेक्स करने के थोड़ा उसी समय आधे घंटे बाद में उसको देखा जाता है कि वास्तव में जो सेक्स हुआ है उस सेक्स से ब्लीडिंग हुआ नहीं हुआ। यदि ब्लीडिंग हुआ है तो वो सही है, और यदि ब्लीडिंग नहीं हुआ है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि उस लड़की का किसी के साथ में रिश्ता था।
But the horror does not end here. If the bride fails this hymen test, then all hell breaks loose. Based on the result, the groom's family then decides the fate of the bride, and this leads to jhagda. Another ritual that defies all basic civility. Jhagda is performed between the families of the bride and the groom, where they fight with each other while deciding the girl's future. If both parties fail to reach an agreement, then the matter reaches the panchayat.
एक तरह से बहिष्कृत कर दिया जाएगा। बहिष्कृत करने के बाद में उसको एक जाति से पूरा बाइकाट करने के बाद में ये पंच द्वारा बिठा करके ये निर्णय लिया जाता है कि इस लड़की के साथ किसके साथ में यदि रिश्ता था।
A traumatic experience for the bride. In many cases, the girl is abused, socially boycotted, and even fined by the panchayat. Her wedding turns into a nightmare. She's punished for committing no crime.
जी हाँ, ये इस प्रथा को ये रोक देना चाहिए कि लड़की के ये टेस्ट नहीं लिया जाए। मतलब
आपको लगता है गलत, ये जो चीज है गलत
है जी।
But Basanti's husband's statement gives away the entire story. It's all about male chauvinism. Listen to this for blatant double standards.
आपसे क्या ये होना चाहिए?
हाँ, होना चाहिए।
क्या आपने किसी से पहले सेक्स किया है क्या?
सेक्स तो क्या? हाँ।
The outrageous and bizarre ritual is denigrating and demeaning to a woman's modesty and puts her chastity, as per some, under the scanner and through a virginity test, whereas the groom might gloat, knowing the fact that there is no test meant to put him under the scanner. With camera person Nikhil Sharma and Piyush Mundra in Chittorgarh, Devankur Vadhavan for Headlines Today.